Hi guys, just a quick one. I didn't make a post yesterday. My voice is voice is better, but I cough a lot. I'm really struggling now with talking, so I'm still walking, guys. I will be taking a few days off until I get better with my coughs, but still I crack on walking every day. Actually, I'm on 505 days streak, which is a big achievement for me. Every day I've been walking for the past 505 days. So we should do the same if you can, of course. And I will just I'll be posting next time when I'm able to talk, when I don't cough when I talk. This is actually the longest I've been without coughing. So but I had to make this video and make it as quick as possible. Love you all, guys. Still keep walking, still be powerful, and always believe in achieving your goals. Love you. Speak to you in my next video whenever I can. Bye.